Afghanistan's National Museum has finally been reopened for visitors from home and abroad to introduce the country's history and civilizations.
Monthly, nothing has been stolen, nothing has been broken, and nothing has been damaged in the National Museum of Afghanistan during this political change. And everything we have managed to preserve it. We have kept the National Museum of Afghanistan for almost 3 months after the previous government's collapse. And we kept it closed because of the security reasons and the safety of the collection. We have provided a better security.
The war-weary Afghans witnessed a political transition as the Taliban took over the capital Kabul on August 15 and announced the formation of a caretaker government on September 7. The museum was once badly damaged, as many of its collections had been looted during the factional fighting in the 1990s. Although the museum is open for visitors nowadays, the number of visitors is still limited, as many are unaware about the reopening of the museum.
We do not have a lot of foreign visitors, but of course, I mean, the local people, especially people from the villages, they are very happy to come and see the museum.